Hello my pretties and welcome to Crochet Tober. This is days 20 and 21 on Crochet Tober 2021. How fun is that? Just saying, kind of worked out. So I didn't make a video well on the 20th because I just felt awful. Yeah, so anywho, didn't quite get there, but that's all right. I'm here today. Hello. So we'll just have two yarn goodies today. It's funny because Neva kind of did the same thing. I mean, it's not funny. It's crummy that we both felt crummy, but it kind of did the same thing. Both took a one-day hiatus there for, Anyway. Okay. So, well, I just dropped the blanket, but from out of our super cool project bag here. Starting off real great, y'all. All right. From out of our super cool project bag comes our blanket. So last we spoke, which has been a couple days, let's be honest, was the color white. So, let's see where the top of it is. There it is. I can tell where the top of it is by the witch's hat. That's how I've been figuring it out. So here is the blanket with the white added. I think it did awesome. It just made it pop big time. So pretty. And I love it more and more each day. This is the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. There. It's just so cool. So I love it. So okay, in case you guys don't know, I feel like everyone probably knows, my Miss Darling, Precious, Wonderful, Spectacular, Beyond Brilliant, like amazing soul of a human being, and my beastie, my friend, Miss Neva from Manic Mom Musings and myself. She's like next level spectacular, and if you haven't checked her out, why not, Okay, so anyway, but yes, we decided that Crochet Tober sounded like a really fun time. Let's just be honest, because it's crochet and it's October and it's Halloween. Why not, And so we decided to do that, and we asked some of our friends if they would like to join. Before we asked them to join, we had decided to scrap yarn balls and goodies, and so we did that. And so that's what I'm opening. That's what she's opening on her channel. We have lots of friends that have joined in on the fun. They are all linked below, and there's also a playlist, Crochet Tober 2021. You can just watch everybody if you want. No pressure channel. Don't ever forget. Okay, cool. So, yeah. So, this is for day 19, am I right? Okay, fun. So then, for day 20, super cute spider. Okay. Oh, crinkle alert. The crinkle pillow's right back here. Crinkle alert. Right. Ooh, cool. Alright. Our color... Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, our color is purple. If you guys have watched our videos together at all, you'll know that we've sent each other socks, sent each other things we've made, sent each other... Well, she's gotten hers now, so I can say it. Send each other postcards. Send each other a lot of the same things. Also, we sent each other sugar skull buttons. How hilarious is that? And it's the turquoise one, which is the best one. That's so funny. So, okay, so to match with our sugar skull's eyes, we got purple. That's hilarious. Okay. We've sent each other, I mean, it'll be a day or two apart, but it'll be about the same thing. It's kind of odd, just saying. We're kind of odd, but it's fun. Ooh, okay. So there's our purple right there, and then it'll go, let's see what, this way. Around this way. So here. Ooh, okay. That'll be really good. So I'll add that purple first. Then for day 21. Another speaker. These yarn bags from the dollar store. All of my yarn bags busted and her stuff fell out, and I'm really, really bummed about it. I tried, and at one point I thought about wrapping everything in Walmart sack, because like unattractive as that would have been, just for practicality reasons, and kind of mad at myself that I didn't, because now all of her stuff's just in the bottom of a box. And LJ, her husband, is going through putting things together. Super lame. Just saying. Alright. Oh, she wrote me another little note. I love the notes. They're my favorite. Okay. Oh, okay. This is the New Mexico flag. It's yellow and red. Oh, so she made me one. Oh my gosh. Okay, I get it now. For my blanket. Oh, I love it. You guys have been here or whatever at all. This is my blanket. These are heart squares for my beautiful, beautiful friends on here. Whenever Angelia and I made the first family blanket together, been in on a few family blankets at this point. The first one, Angelia from Crocheting House Mouse and myself made together, and I had friends send me heart squares. And then my beautiful Miss Neva and myself made the one in August, right? Yes, together. And it also had a heart square in the middle, and she told me that she was going to send me a heart for my blanket. And these are her state colors. That is so cool. So I'll always think of my beastie. I love it. So very cool. And just in case you're curious, for the 9 millionth time, the heart square is a tutorial here on YouTube by Ophelia Talks. It is called the How to Crochet a Heart Granny Square. It's just like second nature at this point. Okay, so anyway, oh my goodness, that's gonna be awesome. Thank you so much. Yay. I'm gonna add that in after I add my Halloween colors in. That's happening. So for our color for that, still Halloween color, but it's red. That makes sense. And I was looking back at this last night. We had we're sitting there talking, and it's like I can go back and I know that this right here is for my pink gnome. This is for my card, and this is for, it was like, it's just so cool to go back and know what all the colors are for. It's so special. So this is for my friendship heart. Come on. So, okay. Fun. I love it. Alright, so I will add the purple, and then that'll be pretty. I like purple and red together. Always have. I'm a real big red fan, but I like it with purple and I like it with turquoise. Actually, my kitchen is turquoise with some red, and I say I don't like red, but I've had red in every house I've lived in, like a darker red. I don't know. Maybe I do like red and I just don't know it. Alright, anyway, so let's see. Not every house I've lived in, but every house I've decorated. Let's go that route. So the ones that I've, whatever, I mean, except for like our first two houses, but other than that, I've had the same red color. I'm just kind of having like an epiphany that I'm pretty sure I like red. Things you learn about yourself. Okay, so project for today. I'm just doing one because I didn't feel great. So like I said, this is 2 videos, 2 days, 1 video. Also that gives me an extra out. So like, maybe I don't have to make one thing. We can just all pretend that this is 2 things. Fun, thanks guys. Alright, cool. So, my project for today is a Halloween wreath. So, I have a tutorial for how I do the wreath. I will link it below. This is just a foam wreath from the Dollar Tree, and then I held black and orange together. This is the orange. There's still hot glue on it. The orange is Red Heart Pumpkin, and the black is just Big Twist Black. Anyway, so I did my usual, just single crocheted around it. Like I said, I have a video in case you guys want that. It kind of looks like a taiga. It's kind of exciting. And then I made these 2 little ghosts. One has black eyes, one has red eyes, just for fun. These are from the Annie's crochet book, because I was going to make the little boo with the 3 ghosts, and I didn't make it that far, but I made 2 ghosts, so improvised. So I just stuck them on here. Like, both are kind of wonky, so this one wasn't quite finished. I just finished it off, and this one was wrong, so I was like, well, I'm not going to make the boo thing. So this is what happened. Okay. These bones are all from Neva. They're not Neva's bones, but they are from her. mean, I don't know. Perhaps she has glittery styrofoam bones. She couldn't walk a whole lot because, styrofoam bones. I'm not really sure you could even crochet or pick anything up, but at least they're glittery. That would be kind of neat. All right, anyway, sorry. But yes. So, but the bones were in the bottom of my goodies from Miss Neva, as was this. So she's in the wreath also. And then these are all just the little buttons, and well, they're not buttons, but just little embellishment goodies that I got from the Amazon package that I've used a few times. Oh, Frank, just hanging out. So, so that is our project for the day. I was going to make something to hang it from, but I have a deal on our door that I can just hang it from, but I don't know if I'm gonna hang it. I may just set it somewhere, so we'll see. But that is it. One more time, I guess. Why not? Just because. Fun. Okay. So for movies and music, let's see. Friday the 13th was the movie for the 20th. I really wanted to make a Jason something. That was the plan because I love Jason. That's like my favorite one is Friday the 13th. And so anyway, like in the scheme of like, Freddy Jason things, Halloween whatnots, I like Friday the 13th the best. So I was really wanting to make a Jason something, so I'm gonna do that because I have a really cool plan for that something, so I'll just come back with it. So anyway, but the movie was Friday the 13th. The movie for tonight is The Turning. Oh, I guess the song for yesterday, sorry. Movie for yesterday, Friday the 13th. Song for yesterday, Bark at the Moon by Ozzy Osbourne. So, okay, for today, the movie is The Turning, which we have not seen yet. Very excited about it. It has Finn Wolfhard in it, who is from Stranger Things. He plays Mike in Stranger Things. So we're going to watch The Turning. And then for our song list, or our song for today, is, I mentioned, well, 1 week ago today, that Granny D sent me playlists, Halloween playlists. She heard these, thought of me. They're like from the 20s and they're really awesome. And so that's going to be her second one that she sent me is our playlist for today. I've been thinking about this because I've listened to the playlist a few times at this point. I think I'm just going to add like random Halloween-ish songs in there, and then they'll just be on there and we'll have a song of the day, but then maybe our playlist is longer just because I've listened to it through spooky season a couple of times and it's really not that long. So I think that I may do that. I mean, I know there's going to be more days in it, but I think I may just add some other songs in there too. So, all right, cool. Okay. So, yep, that's it. The purple, the red, our wreath. Today, anyway, is The Turning, Granny D's playlist. So, all right. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a very spooktacular day. Hope you're having a very creepy, spooky season and that you're all having a whole lot of fun with this. I know I am. There will be a picture at the end of today's video. If you guys would like to send yours in, please do, to any of the ladies that are involved in this. Like I said, there are a lot of us on YouTube that are having fun with this. There are a lot of ladies that don't have channels that are also having fun with this. So, okay. So once again, please have a very spooktacular day. And don't go in the woods.